Alright. So we're doing something cool today. And when I say we, then it's you and I. I'm gonna take you on a little journey. My plan today is to climb to the top of a waterfall. I was there last year with a friend of mine, but my friend was scared of heights. So I never actually made it to the top. Just know it's bloody beautiful. So yeah, let's go. Let's go, fam. That's it.
The thing about living in South Africa is that there's birds all the time flying in and out, like across the road. Like they're just going vroom, vroom, vroom. And you never know when you're gonna hit them until you hit them. Yeah, I don't know if you can kind of feel in the mood right now, but I just hit a bird hard. It flew out in front of me and went pa!
Alright, so there's one more thing that I really feel bad about. I feel bad about like all the butterflies that I kill. And I don't kill them on purpose, obviously, but I figured that a butterfly can still fly with a broken wing, but it can't fly with a broken body. You know? That makes sense. But when I come driving in this car and hit a little tiny ass butterfly, obviously it's gonna die. And I wonder how many butterflies I kill every time I go out for a drive. It's actually really traumatic. I feel sorry for the butterflies. Yeah. Alright, so it's time to get this mask on. Sometimes when I live on a farm, I always forget that there's actually coronavirus happening, because when I go out, I'm like, oh damn, people are wearing masks. Alright, so I just met a couple of old mates. A guy that I used to go to high school with, and another guy that used to go to another school in the area. And they said that there's a few people here, but not at the top, just at the first waterfall. So that's good signs. I'm super excited. I haven't been to the top for like 2 or 3 years at least. Definitely stable. So, some people may know this and other people might not know it, but I have like 2 fears in life. I have a fear of bridges, not like shady ass bridges like this one. Big metallic bridges like the Golden Gate. I always have this feeling that they'll collapse underneath me, and if that happens, like, I know I'm done. I'm dead, fam. And then I have another fear. I have a fear of owls. Apparently it's when I was younger, I was attacked by an owl. Very creepy as hell, eh? They can turn their head 180 degrees and be fine. That's my 2 fears, owls and bridges. My ultimate fear would be facing an owl on a bridge. For real. There's not really anything else that I've come across that I've feared. There was a time where I started becoming scared of heights, and then I did a bungee jump, and then my fear went away. We're getting closer to the first waterfall. This is the first waterfall. I think I'll have to pack this little camera in my bag. But this is it. It's pretty cool, to be honest. Check it out. Usually we used to jump from here. However, I don't know how deep it is at the moment. But in summer then we jump from here. It's cold, but it's really like, it's a nice jump. I don't know, maybe it's like 4 or 5 meters or something like that. It's not too bad. But basically I am going up there. That's it. The thing is, now we're not duct taped. I have like one bar. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so we're up at the last waterfall. I didn't film much because I expected it to be like 45 minutes away, and it's only 20 minutes away, so max. So anyways, I'm up here. I'll most probably film something cool on the way down. But for now, I brought my speaker. I have a little notepad. I'm gonna sit and meditate. I think I'm gonna try and make my way up there. Sit behind or sit by this rock and then meditate. Have a good little session going, and then yeah, that's it. We made it to the top. I'm super excited. I think I'll go here sometime soon again, because yeah, I can see there's quite a bit of water, so I want to go swim here. But anyways, I'm here, so enjoy this little cinematic sequence. Alright, so I think it's time to send up the drone. That'll be sick. Maybe have a little fly through here. Yeah.